It's so hard to get a breath of fresh air when you're outdoors these days. Oh man, somebody left the window open. When will people stop burning trash? Well, the air quality is indeed bad, but not to worry though. The Mi Air Purifier 2 is inspired by aircraft engines. Its powerful system creates an air vortex which purifies dust and other unwanted particles within minutes.
Sudeep, breakfast will be ready in 15 minutes.
The Mi Air Purifier 2 has great coverage. You can cover an area up to 400 square feet with a super high clean air delivery rate. Oh, by the way, do you know there's so many unhealthy particles in our homes we can't even see? Tiny pollutants like pollens, dust mites, and other PM 2.5 matter that cause allergies. But the Mi Air Purifier 2 comes with 360-degree triple-layered filter with activated carbon that traps them all and keeps me and my family allergy-free. Thanks, Ma.
Something doesn't fit.
How about now?
Perfect.
Well, winter is coming, and it brings with it the worst kind of air pollution. I think I should buy a treadmill instead of going out for a run. At least in my house, clean air is guaranteed.